Hello, my name is Victoria Gross, and I'm going to be doing our syllabus assignment. My topic that I chose is to identify at least 3 means for not passing Practicum and Seminar 2 courses, and to kind of discuss maybe some ways to avoid this. One of the most important things for these courses, the Practicum especially, is to make sure that any data that you enter is correct, you're being honest. This is a really big deal. On your time tracking and on your case logs, you need to make sure that whatever hours you're putting in, whatever patient encounters you're putting on, you're being truthful to the best of your ability. If you are caught falsifying data, this is an automatic fail from the course. In addition to that, you could be asked to leave the program. And, you know, as professionals going into being nurse practitioners, we have to be honest. Our profession and the integrity of our profession relies on our being honest and having integrity. So that's a really big deal. In addition to that, you have to make sure you enter in all your time tracking, all your case logs for that day, every patient encounter. If you don't enter in your patient encounters and eval, that also can result as an automatic failure. So you don't want to do that. The other issue is that case logs and time tracking, they have to be entered in within 15 days. So if you don't do them within that time, they also do not count. I always try to enter them. One way to avoid this is try to enter them that day. You know, some people do it at clinical, some people do it when you get home, but if you enter it in that day, then they don't back up, you don't get behind, you don't run into the issue of eval possibly being down and not working. So that's one way to avoid that. Another way to fail these courses is you need an 80% or better, and you need to have at least a 3.0 to pass and to go on to the next semester. So one way to avoid this for both courses is to make sure that you're submitting all your data in a timely manner, as well as following the rubrics that are assigned to those. That really helps, and that's going to help you get all the points that you can. So that's one way, especially with your discussion boards and stuff. That's participation points. Those are easy points to get. And that's something you want to make sure that you're staying on top of. Always keep a calendar so I know exactly what's due, and I'm always looking ahead to make sure that I'm not missing anything. So that's what I have for you as far as how not to fail these courses, and good luck for your semester.